Okay. In this experiment, I'm going to be using 2 glasses. They're both the exact same size, and a regular sun drop. And I've already got a little bit in this one, so I'm going to pour just a little bit more. And then I'm going to add the same amount to the other glass. Okay, so now they both have about the same amounts of sun drop in them, and they each have a straw. And I'm going to have 2 come up, and I have my son and my husband who are going to do this experiment with me today. And they are going to show us how they drink out of a straw. Okay? And let's go. Okay, now, guys, what do you think makes the liquid come out of the straw? What is it that makes the liquid come out of the straw?
Suction.
Suction, okay. Did you notice anything different maybe about your straw? Did you seem to have problems? Okay, yes. All right. What do you think about, well, your straw, I'm going to go ahead and tell you, had holes in it that I put in it with a pen. Sorry, Avery. But I did that. So it made it harder to suck the liquid up, right? Why is that? Why do you think that is?
Because it means that it can leak.
What's it leaking then?
The liquid.
The pressure from the suction.
Okay. All right. So what are we actually creating when we suck the liquid up through the straw?
A vacuum.
A vacuum, okay. You agree with him?
Yes.
Okay. Would we be able to drink through a straw if there was no air pressure around us? So let me see if
No.
You don't think so?
Uh-uh.
What do you think?
I don't think so.
Why? Well, think about it. Okay, let's put this another way. Would an astronaut in space, okay, or on the moon, would they be able to drink liquid through a straw? What do you think?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Because they
so?
can still create the same suction through their mouth.
Okay.
As long as they have the liquid touch the straw.
All right. Well, what do we know happens to the atmospheric pressure as you go higher up or into space? Is there air pressure?
No. Bar equals -1.
So would they be able to?
They could still create pressure through their mouth.
Okay, now they're picking up this cup with this straw.
Then no.
Why?
Because there has to be existing pressure to utilize in order to make the suction for you to be able to suck. You can't suck if there's no air pressure. It's like if I put your head in a Ziploc bag and closed it, you would only be able to suck on it like once, and then that's it. Because once that bag sucks down to your face, you can't. There's no pressure.
Okay, that's interesting.